Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you a great tip on how you'll be able to make money online just browsing or using a social network. This is absolutely free and very cool. So there's this new website that is called Webtalk, and it allows people to just get money or get paid while they use their platform. And I think that is basically how cool this is going to be, because this website is more or less like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter all together. And the most very cool part of it is you are being paid if you use the platform. Just comment, share posts, like whatever someone posts, or you post on the platform. Just engage, keep engaging on whatever that happens on the platform, and you're going to be paid. You also have the chance to just invite your friends, and then you also get paid whilst you invite your friends. So I think basically that is very nice. And you cannot sign up without using someone's link because it's in the beta version right now. So I think maybe in the future they are just gonna open it for everyone to just sign up freely when they get to their website. So I'm going to leave my link in the description so that you use that link and then sign up, else you're not going to be able to just get on board. So you sign up and then you promote whatever you do, and yeah, I think that is going to be helpful for both of us. So just patronize with whatever, engage in whatever you post, whatever post you see right there, engage in it, and they are just going to count everything you do, and they are going to put everything together and then give you your revenue. I think that is very cool, using a website and then you're just being paid. So you're not going to be able to go to the website and then sign up directly like how I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's say for instance I go to my browser and then type in webtalk.co. that is the URL of the website. So what they're going to tell you is it is free, fast and easy. Who invited you? That is what they're going to tell you. They're not going to allow you to just go and then be like, I'm going to sign up. So when you type in the person who invited you's email right here, which I'm going to leave my email in the description so that you're going to be able to sign up for free. So when you even sign up with this, you're entitled to sign in, and then in your profile you can state your profession, whatever you do, and then you can be like you're also a freelancer or something, and you can just get people coming at you and then asking for your opinions on certain things, which is gonna even render you money on the platform. So there's a pro version of this platform which allows you to just meet a lot of people who are in need of help or who would want to give you jobs to do online, and that basically comes with a fee. So I'm not really going to talk much about that one, because I think if you get to the website and then you get to know more about whatever goes on the website, I think these things are just going to come by itself naturally. But what I'm going to tell you is you're entitled to pay $100 a year for the pro version, and then the pro platinum is $200 a year. I think that is quite cool and cheap. So if you go through it and then maybe after you are done with the free version, or you feel you are not earning much or you're not getting people patronizing more with the free version, you can just upgrade and then you are good to go. But what I want to share with you guys is this is totally free, and it allows you to just make money whilst you just use the website. And I think that is something is going to be nice. You know, one thing I just like about these things, you know, a lot of people are not known or are not using this website right away at the moment. So in some years to come, maybe let's say a year or two, a lot of people are just going to come on this website, and probably by then you might be a pro, or you might already be an old member with tons of followers and people as your friends, and then it's going to be very cool. So what I'm going to share with you guys is you capitalize right now, you sign up right away. I've been able to sign up and I'm already promoting some of my YouTube videos on the platform, because right now what the algorithm is going to do is just push whatever content that comes their way. And you see, I just posted this 29 minutes ago, and this is my video. You can find it on my YouTube channel, and I think people here might see it and then they might feel like, okay, let me just click on this video. And it's a new platform and people are just going to patronize and whatever you put up here. So I think this is a great tip and a great deal you can just use in promoting yourself wherever you are. It's very cool. You can use it from any part of the world, and this is very cool. I just want to share with you guys, you make money whilst you just browse with this website. So this is where you are going to get your reward when you are being paid for everything. So we scroll down, and then this is where you are going to see your rewards and all. So you see how much you are being paid per pie slice or something. So this is where you get a referral links, and then you can share it to your friends and then promote your page to them. So when you are able to sign up with my link, you can also share it to other people, because people cannot get on board without your link. So you can share with people, and then people are just going to come on board, and then whilst they use their website, you also get a commission from whatever they use, and then this is where you're going to see your payments you are just going to be giving in a month. I've seen a lot of people getting paid with this website, so I think this is something we shouldn't sleep on it. So that is all I want to share with you guys. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Don't forget to use the link to sign up, and I thank you for your time, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Like this video and share it to anyone you think is going to be helpful to them, and then catch you in the next one.